Okay, well, today we're gonna be shipping this anchor hawking Wexford genie style bottle. Dejin. It's a Dejin bottle, but it's not colored, so you could see him in there. You could see him if you rubbed it. Don't rub it, but you could see him in there. You pop the lid off, out she comes. There you go. So, all right. Well, we'll get started on that. I got $30 for that, just so you know. I have two of them. I picked them up one day. I got a couple of them. Been a while now. They've been listed a while. So, yeah. So you gotta. I think at least for me, I had to wait a while to get my price out of them. Nobody actually even offered or anything. So I guess whoever bought it just happened to. I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to shipping this. I don't think I've actually done something like this before, but I'm gonna try just putting that on there for now. A little bubble around that. Yeah, so I don't really know how well this is gonna go. I'm gonna set this aside, the lid part there, and then I don't want to do this. I think I'm going to take this. I think I'm gonna just take and put this up over the top first, like that. Just wrap it around. Well, just to maybe try to hold those air packs right there. Where's my? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. My perforation there. I just want to hold those air packs in place. So, and then I'm going to do it this way. I wonder if I probably should. I probably will. I think I'll show you. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Yeah, nice and simple there. That there, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to at least try to take some of my foam here. This big gigantic piece. I should have already had this cut, but I didn't. So it is what it is. Big gigantic foam, and let's see if I can find a. Let's go over here to this side. We'll go over here and we'll cut. Can I do that? Let's see what happens if I try to cut this way. And then we'll just come down this way. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. I was afraid of that. Okay, we'll have to come back. I got stuck. That piece was a little too thick there. That's okay. I didn't really need a lot. I just needed something to kind of... Doesn't need to cover the whole bottom, but that's actually... It might be a good idea right there like that. Good. No, because that's going to make the bottle... I'm going to have to make the... Yeah, I was going to put that on the side, but then that would make the box... That might not make it a lot harder to use a box on it, so... I'm going to put that there. Just in case, if there's a little shakiness in that box, at least that'll hopefully stop the bottle from getting whacked too hard. And then I think what I'm going to do here then is I'm just... Oh, so sorry. So sorry. Okay, we're going to take this... And, that's the end. That's the end of that one. Putting those somewhere. I was planning on using them, but I probably threw them away. Planning on using them for glasses or something. Those middle pieces to, wrap some mugs or glasses or something that are, stick them in there. I may have already done that. I might have used them up. Who knows? So anyway, we'll go like this. And then I'm going to put this, should I put it, or should I just put it in? I'll put it in separately. I was going to try to connect it right to the, maybe I could. Nah, that's not going to work. I could do that. Nah. I'm going to get another piece of styrofoam here. Let's see, which way do I want to cut? Right here. This foam is difficult because there's so many little nooks and crannies and things in it because it wasn't all. So it's, ouch. Them little teeth on there are sharp. Just so you know. I've gotten bit a few times by those. And they'll make you bleed. They're mean that way. They're just mean, nasty things. Alright. So, I'm pretty comfortable with that. That's a little loose, but it'd be alright. Pretty comfortable with that. Now I just need a box. All my kingdom for the right box. Those I decided were not going to be... I don't think these are big enough. But I just wanted to use it for an inside box. And then put it in another box. So that should be okay like that. And then put that down in there. And then, yeah, see, it doesn't really fit in there right, but it's just going to be the inside box. So it's not actually going to be the main box. It's not going to be the main box. Yes, so got that. I'm good with that. Now I need another box. Get that styrofoam out of the way. And I just happen to have this box here that I ordered. So I got other boxes in when I ordered from the eBay shipping supplies. And then we're going to put this down in here like so. That there. That. And I'm going to put these down inside here. On this edge. Put it over here like that. Yep, I'm good like that. I need some more over here. Do I have more? Yes. My wife does a pretty good job of bringing me air pockets. She's always bringing me air pockets from places. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some more in there instead of cutting it. Should I cut it down? Yeah, I better cut it down so it's a little smaller. It'd be a little smaller. Maybe you never know, that extra little inch or so you cut off of there could potentially save you the frustration of having to come back and take the box apart again and repackage it, because your shipping cost just went up $15 because you're oversized. Okay, yeah, that seems like that'll be pretty tight in there. So 9 minutes to ship this. See, that's the problem with doing glassware. I'm gonna have at least 10-12 minutes into just the packaging of this thing. That's the problem, is it can cost you time. It's not like selling a t-shirt or a little action figure, a little loose action figure, or something like that, it costs you a little bit. So, you know, or books. Books are a nice one to sell. Typically, you don't have to package them too much, but I did sell a couple books recently. I did really well. One of them was $100. One was 60, I think. Those ones I had to package a little better. I actually sent them priority. Yeah, so I think that's good. I don't think I need any more tape on that, so it's not moving around. That's my fingers making that noise. It's not moving around there, so it's good to go. So yeah. So there's your genie bottle all packaged up. All right, that's it. I'm done. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.